Sul mare luccica l'astro d'argento, placida l'onda, prospero il vento. Sul mare luccica l'astro d'argento, placida l'onda, prospero il vento. Venite l'agile barchetta mia, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. Venite l'agile barchetta mia, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. Mare si placida, vento si caro, scordar fai triboli al marinaro. Mare si placida, vento si caro, scordar fai triboli al marinaro. E va gridando con allegria, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. E va gridando con allegria, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. Or che tardate, bella è la sera, spira un'oretta, fresca e leggera. Or che tardate, bella è la sera, spira un'oretta, fresca e leggera. Venite l'agile barchetta mia, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. Venite l'agile barchetta mia, Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia. I am a product of my generation. Nothing holds my attention for a long duration. Too much of even a good thing can leave me feeling bored. I've quit a book before reaching 20 pages. I've quit a job before my first week's wages. I'll leave a floor show if I'm not completely floored. And in April, the sun feels new and so intoxicating. But by August, it's gotten kind of old. And in September, the breeze I describe as exhilarating. By late December, I just plain cool, but as with each rule, there's an exception. One thing I love through all eternity, for there never could be too much of you for me. In the arms of a lover, feels so warm and so divine. But by 2 a.m. I'm needing my own space. And on a night when the bed is mine, oh mine, it's not long before I'm longing for someone's embrace. But as with each rule, there's an exception. One thing I'd love through all eternity, for there never could be too much of you for me. Too much of you for me. No, there never could be too much of you for me. Alone I spend another night. I close my book, I dim the light. I wait for sleep to numb my lonely ache. No rest I find inside my bed, no rest but yawning thoughts instead. And when I sleep, my heart is still awake. This emptiness I feel within will cloud my head and burn my skin. My mind has thoughts no minister could take. Dreams fill me up with wild desires, the constant hope that never tires. And when I sleep, my heart is still awake. Longing dances through my evening prayers. She ties my wrists and ankles to the bed. Her fingertips start a hunger that can only be filled, never known. Longing robs you of your peace, a discontent that will not cease. All walls of satisfaction she will break. Perhaps she breaks what she cannot mend, but she stays close and loyal as a friend. And when I sleep, my heart is still awake. Longing dances through my evening prayers. She ties my wrists and ankles bed. Her fingertips start a hunger that can only be filled, never known. Now I have faith in God above. I have faith that I'll find my love, and I hope I'm right. My heart is at stake, but faith and hope are hard to keep, and all this time I'm losing sleep. And when I sleep, my heart is still awake. Her fingertips start a hunger that can only be filled, never known. Made me fall, crashed straight into the ground, lost it all, never to be found. Common sense was nowhere around, but it felt nice coming from you. Made me fly, I couldn't see the floor, so high above the stars and more. I should worry, but like I've said before, it felt nice coming from you. If a doctor played with hearts so carelessly, I'd suggest he give up his med degree, but it's context. At least it is for me, 'cause it feels nice coming from you. If my cat kept me from a good night's sleep, she'd be sleeping in the kitchen, not in bed with me. But it's context, apparently, 'cause it feels nice coming, so good coming. It feels nice coming from you. I'm always very prepared. I always buy things in pairs. Because what if it's midnight and something's ruined or discontinued? I know that I have spares. There's 2 of each thing in my pantry. Don't think I'm the crazy type. 'Cause what if I want bananas, and when I go shopping all all the ones that they have are too ripe, but I didn't count on you. And my new favorite thing is your face. There's only one of you. Whatever can I do if you go and need to be replaced? So may I ask this one small favor? Since you know this habit of mine, don't ever grieve me and never ever leave me, and only one of you should be fine. See, I didn't count on you, and my new favorite thing is your face. There's only one of you. Whatever can I do if you go and need to be replaced? So may I ask this one small favor? Since you know this habit of mine, don't ever grieve me and never ever leave me, and only one of you should be fine. Should be so fine. You are my lullaby. You're the one that I want every night. You are the feeling I get that everything will turn out alright. You're a lightning bug. You're the definition of cozy and snug. You are my lullaby. I can't get to sleep without you. You are my lullaby. You're the scent of my fresh laundered sheets. You are the cool side of the pillow up against my cheek. You are the evening star. You're the light from the hallway when the door is left ajar. You are my lullaby. I can't get to sleep without you. You are my lullaby. You're the blanket so soft on my skin. You are the chapter right where the happily ever after begins. You are hot cocoa with cream. You're the very best part of my favorite dream. You are my lullaby. I can't get to sleep without you. I can't get to sleep